Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. When a new piece of coffee technology comes out of Italy, it deserves attention. Italy isn't just another origin in the coffee world. It's where espresso culture, machine engineering, and brewing tradition collide. Today, we're looking at new coffee technology coming from Italy that could permanently change how coffee is brewed, not just in cafes, but at home as well. This isn't hype for hype's sake. We're breaking down what makes this tech different, why it matters mechanically, and how it could redefine consistency, flavor control, and machine reliability going forward. Why Italy still leads coffee machine innovation. Italy has always approached coffee machines as precision engineering tools, not kitchen appliances. From lever machines to heat exchangers and modern multi-boiler systems, Italian manufacturers focus on thermal stability, pressure profiling, and mechanical reliability. What makes this new technology special is that it builds on that legacy while solving problems technicians and baristas have struggled with for decades. Inconsistent temperature recovery, unstable pressure curves, and machines that drift out of calibration over time. When Italian engineers change something, it's usually because they've identified a fundamental flaw in how brewing has been done up until now. What this new coffee tech actually changes. At its core, this new Italian coffee tech focuses on precision control over water delivery. Not just temperature or pressure individually, but how they behave dynamically during extraction. Instead of relying on fixed profiles or basic pressure limits, this system adapts in real time, keeping water flow stable as conditions change inside the puck. That means fewer channeling issues, more even extraction, and a dramatic improvement in repeatability from shot to shot. For brewers, this removes a huge amount of guesswork. For technicians, it means machines that stay consistent longer without constant recalibration. Why this matters for coffee flavor. Flavor lives in consistency. When temperature and pressure fluctuate mid-shot, extraction becomes uneven. Some particles over-extract, others under-extract, and clarity is lost. This new tech smooths out those fluctuations, allowing sugars, acids, and aromatics to extract and balance. The result is espresso that tastes sweeter, clearer, and more structured, even with challenging light roasts. What's important here is that this improvement doesn't rely on better beans or tighter puck prep alone. The machine actively supports proper extraction instead of working against it. The technician perspective, fewer failures, smarter machines. From a BrewFix standpoint, this is where things get really interesting. Many espresso machine failures stem from thermal stress, scale buildup in unstable systems, and components constantly compensating for poor control. This new Italian tech reduces stress on boilers, valves, and pumps by keeping systems operating within tighter, safer ranges. That means fewer breakdowns, more predictable diagnostics, and machines that age better over time. When machines are engineered to work with physics instead of fighting it, reliability skyrockets and repair costs drop. What this means for home brewers versus cafes. Traditionally, advanced brewing tech has been reserved for high-end commercial machines. What's exciting here is that this innovation is scalable. It has the potential to influence home espresso machines, prosumer setups, and even grinders and accessories down the line. For home brewers, this means cafe-level consistency without constant tweaking. For cafes, it means faster training, fewer bad shots, and less dependency on individual barista technique to achieve great results. Why this could redefine brewing standards. Every few decades, coffee has a technological shift that changes expectations. Lever machines, pump-driven espresso, PID temperature control. This new Italian coffee tech has the potential to become the next baseline standard, not a luxury feature. Once people experience brewing systems that actively stabilize extraction, it becomes very hard to go back to machines that leave everything up to chance. That's how real change happens in coffee, not through trends, but through better engineering. Not every new coffee gadget matters, but when innovation comes from Italy and solves real brewing and mechanical problems, it's worth paying attention. At BrewFix, I focus on what actually improves coffee and machine longevity, not marketing noise. I document real repairs, real diagnostics, and real-world performance so coffee lovers, baristas, and technicians can understand what's coming next and how to prepare for it. The future of brewing isn't just about taste. It's about precision, reliability, and machines that finally work the way they should.